Hello dear students, you all are welcome to the online lecture of maths. Today also we will continue chapter number 5 multiplication part 1. Today we are going to learn to form word problems. Don't get afraid students, word problems are very easy to solve. Firstly, read the question carefully and understand what is given and what we have to find out. Students, I will explain you word problems step by step, and if you follow them, word problems will be very easy for you to solve. So, students, let's get started. Our first example is the cost of one chair is rupees 650. What is the cost of 4 such chairs? As I explained earlier, read the question, what is given and what we have to find out. Given is cost of one chair is rupees 650. We have to find out cost of 4 chairs, that is equals to 650 multiplied by 4. So first we will write the expanded form of 650, that is equals to 600 plus 50 plus 0. Now going on to the multiplication, 4 multiplied by 600, the product is 2400. 4 multiplied by 50, the product is 200. 4 multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Now moving on to the addition part, starting from the units, 0 plus 0, the answer is 0. 0 plus 0, the answer is 0. 4 plus 2, the answer is 6. 2 plus nothing, the answer is 2. Therefore, 4 chairs cost rupees 2600. Moving on to the next example, rupees 775 are to be collected from each students for a picnic. There are 3 classes and the number of students in each class is 25. What is the total amount collected from all the 3 classes if all the students go for the picnic? So first we will write what is given in the question. Given money collected from each student, that is equals to rupees 775. Number of classes, that is equals to 3. Number of students in each class, that is equals to 25. Here first we will find out total number of students going for the picnic, that is equals to 25 multiplied by 3. The answer is 75 students. Now we have to find out total amount collected from all the 3 classes, that is equals to 775 multiplied by 75. Here 775 is the amount collected by each student and 75 is the number of students from all the 3 classes. As both the numbers are more than 1 digit number, so first we will write the expanded form. 775 equals to 700 plus 70 plus 5. 75 equals to 70 plus 5. Moving on to the multiplication, 70 multiplied by 700, the product is 49,000. 70 multiplied by 70, the product is 4,900. 70 multiplied by 5, the product is 350. 5 multiplied by 700, the product is 3,500. 5 multiplied by 70, the product is 350. 5 multiplied by 5, the product is 25. Now we will arrange all the products according to the place value for addition, starting from the units place. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, the answer is 5. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2, the answer is 12. 1 we will carry over in 100 place, 2 we will write in tens place. 1 plus 0 plus 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 3, the answer is 21. 2 we will carry over in 1000 place, 1 we will write in 100 place. 2 plus 9 plus 3 plus 4, 18. 1 we will carry over in 10,000 place, 8 we will write in 1000 place. 1 plus 4, the answer is 5. Therefore, total of rupees 58,125 was collected from all the 3 classes.